We always want to make sure that when an appointment is created in the management system, that we can show the service advisor or anybody else that needs to know the incoming appointments starting several days in advance. Here we're going to make an appointment. We're going to add some notes about what the customer wants to have done when they come in. We're going to save and close. We're going to switch over to the Today's Vehicle page, and shortly thereafter it's going to show up. Again, what we want to be able to do is show the service advisor incoming appointments a few days in advance, so that way they can keep their calendar full. When it switches over to today, each day it will move, and then we can turn it into a repair order. What we're going to do now is change the appointment into a repair order where the customer is actually here and dropped it off. So this is the appointment the customer is dropping off right now. We're going to fill this repair order in just like we normally do. We're going to do the same thing we do on every repair order that comes in. You can assign the technician in the management system if you want, or best practice would be to dispatch from on the Today's Vehicle page. We're going to add our jobs here. We're not going to spend a lot of time adding parts on this demo. Checking for service recommendations. Let's switch back over to the Today's Vehicle page. You're going to see the tile, now that we know the repair order is dropped off, it's going to be removed from that column and it's going to drop right on the technician, ready for them to do their job. At the top of their column, you can see the hours. You can see lots of information about it, so jobs, hours, and so on. You can see that all the jobs from the management system have been pushed over to the Today's Vehicle page, and they've also been sent to the technician on their tablet. The technician is going to start out by doing the inspection on their tablet. When they're finished with the inspection on their tablet, the service writer can open it up. They can look at all the information that the technician submitted, make sure a full inspection's been done, along with the notes and pictures that we're taking on it. They're going to use the update button to send that information to the management system. What we want is an easy way to anything that was recommended and properly be documented to make sure it lands on a repair order. You see that blue link at the bottom. That's the information being transmitted. Up on the top right-hand corner, you'll see a box pop up in just a second. And now what we want to do is we want to import some of this valuable information into the point of sale. So we're going to import the inspection first. So that way we've got our digital paperclip. You can see that it's added to notes. Now it's going through and verifying the VIN number, mileage, and so on. And now it's telling you what it's done. And now we're going to click on the estimate to go and bring in the jobs or actions the technician recommended and documented. And again, we want a one-to-one relationship between what was recommended and what actually makes it to the repair order for estimation. Quick and simple. We're going to switch back over to the Today's Vehicle page. We're going to open up the repair order again. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some notes here. These notes would have most likely come in from the technician, but in this case, we're just going to let the service writer add them. They're adding these in the Shop Eyes Only note area, and we're going to save some time from not having to type them again here in just a second by using the copy over function. We're going to click on the arrow. It's going to copy it over to the customer notes and mark them as approved. And then what we want to do is we want to send these notes over to the management system so the service writer doesn't have to type them out there also. So you can see again on the lower right hand corner, you can see the notes being imported. And now what we want to do is we want to use the job function to go and import these notes. And now you see the notes have been imported into the management system. So this is just a brief summary of the integration between AutoWriter and AutoVitals. We just want to make sure that you know that there's a lot of tools here that can be used to make your life easier, more consistent, and save time for everybody involved. After the repair order is completed and invoiced in the point of sale, the tile will be removed from the Today's Vehicle page